Today we will be looking at a 15-minute trading strategy.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 15-minute trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 65 different strategies, with 17 of them being profitable. The best one was able to achieve a 80% win rate. That is the 5-minute scalping strategy that I did a video on a little while back. I'll go ahead and put up the thumbnail of it right now and a link to it up in the corner, or I will link to it at the end of this video as well. Highly recommend that you check out that strategy if you're looking for a profitable tested strategy. We have also tested a total of 879 indicators, with 370 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 64 of the winning indicators. 26 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. All right, so today we are looking at a 15-minute trading strategy. And so the source video that I got this from, it was actually a YouTube short, which I thought was interesting. People are starting to make a lot more YouTube shorts instead of actual YouTube videos. And so I just kind of look for strategies wherever I can find them. And so in that YouTube short, it said that it was a very profitable trading strategy, day trading strategy, using only one indicator. And so you can see the indicator here on screen now. And so if you go in and type in the range breakout width, and the one that you're looking for is the open range breakout with take profit zones by Praslin, I believe is how you pronounce that. You put that on screen here, and this is what you get. Now in the source video, again, it was on a 15-minute time frame. You can see specifically in the short that it was the 15-minute time frame, and that they had it on the Luna versus the USD. And so Luna Tether US on the Binance source. And in the video, they did have the range multiplier changed. I believe on default it was a 1, and they changed it to a 1.4, giving us what we see right here. And in the source video, what they said was you would look for a break of the purple line to the downside and that would be a signal to go short, or a break and close of the purple line to the upside, that would be a signal to go long. And so they didn't say anything specifically about take profits, stops, or anything like that. So I did have to take an educated guess on how those would function. And so first and foremost, the indicator itself says that it has take profit built into it. And so you can see here that it does have a few different kind of levels of this green right here. And that's what I used as the take profit. I also made a little bit of a modification kind of to this as well. Again, just kind of looking at it. So we'll look at this day right here. And so we get a break and a close to the upside right here of the upper purple line right there. And the first rule that I set in place was that if the candle closing above or below the purple line, if it was higher than this light shaded green right here, this light shaded green, if it was beyond that, closed beyond that, I wouldn't take a trade. And so if it's within this light shaded green, that was a valid trade setup. Then I used the top green, the uppermost green, or the lowermost green, the darker green shade there, to be the take profit. And so look for that to hit a take profit there. If we were going long, then I used the close below the lower purple line here as a stop. So if price broke below that lower purple line and closed, that was the stop that I put in place. Same way in reverse. If we're doing a short trade, then a break and close back above this purple line would be the stop that I put in place. And same thing as far as the light shade and the dark shade. And so that's the setup that I was looking for. And so for example, you can see right here that we get a break and close there above that purple line there. It is here down in the light green, and so it has not broke that light green, and so that would be a valid entry. We get a nice spike to the upside here, getting us to our take profit. Now it was interesting to note that most of the time in this, the take profit and the stop was generally about 1.5 times the take profit. And so not always, but often, if you were risking 1, the stop was 1.5, or if the take profit was 1, the stop was 1.5 of the take profit, if that makes sense. And so then moving on here, we get a break to the downside right here and a close. Again, we're in that light green area there, so we haven't broke out of that. We do not get to take profit on that, and you see that we climb right back up and we close to the upside right here. That would be a losing trade right there. So unfortunately, I did not record the testing of this. I was just kind of doing it sporadically throughout the day as I had time doing the testing, and so wasn't able to get a clear video on that. But what I'm going to do now is go ahead and give a quick shout out to our Discord server, and then we will pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in the testing. So this is our Discord server right here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You are welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting charts on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, just charts in general where he's doing analysis of the Forex market. These are a couple of the kind of cleaner charts that he has posted. If I scrolled back here, you'd see that we get quite a few charts like this where he really dives in and marks out areas of interest, different kind of wedge patterns or different candle patterns in general. Really awesome information that he's putting out for everyone to see. You can really learn a lot from the charts that he's putting out, just kind of following along with his trades. Sometimes he'll also post kind of the trades that he's looking to take. We also have Mike from Upright Trading. He's one of our admins. He does a really great job of explaining indicators and helping out with indicators, and just general trading knowledge, kind of all around. That's kind of what this was right here, responding to kind of a new member asking a question. But Mike from Upright Trading has a lot of really cool indicators that he's developed himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really super cool, and I believe they all are free to test out. And so he really goes above and beyond to kind of help us out and explain a lot of great stuff. And then we have our other admin, Jay, who also does really great at helping out, explaining things, walking people through different stuff and helping out. It's just a really great environment. As well as all that, you will also get access to some indicators that I've developed myself. The latest video that I put out was the 5-minute crypto scalping strategy right here. If you are looking for a strategy to start with, I highly recommend that you jump onto this video, you watch it, check out the strategy. It's a great strategy in there. I outline the indicators that I use and explain that I am offering those indicators to our patrons. And so you just get a ton of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, now I did want to mention real quick, if you are interested in a trading strategy, a proven profitable trading strategy that we've tested and are continually developing and working on, testing on different pairs and so on. I've done quite a few videos on this strategy already. I have mentioned it a few times in the video, and I'll link to it at the end of this video. Again, it's the 5-minute crypto scalping strategy that I have developed using some custom indicators that we are offering to our patrons. If you are interested again in a profitable trading strategy, this would be the one that you would really want to take a look at. Just this week alone, I've done 22 trades, 19 winners, 3 losing trades, an 86% win rate, and I've grown a test account $956 there. You can see here's a list of the trades. Just today I've taken about 3 or 4 straight profitable trades right here, and I actually didn't have time to take a few other trades. You can see this was my last trade right here with these blue arrows, red arrow. I missed this trade right here where it threw a short signal, came down, got to take profit. I missed this trade right here when it threw a long signal, came up, got us to take profit. Then it threw another short signal right here on this one. That one dropped out really nicely and would have gotten some really nice take profit out of it had I trailed with that a little bit there. And then it threw a signal right here, a long signal. Hasn't quite played out yet, and I didn't take a trade on that. I was just kind of busy. These trades, I was just busy throughout the day. And so nonetheless, again, if you're looking for a super profitable trading strategy, one that we, again, are constantly developing, look at this one. Watch the video at the end of this video that I linked to it, the 5-minute crypto scalping video there. All right, back to our indicator here, or our strategy, I guess I should say. All right, so we did 50 trades on this one, and out of those 50 trades, we got 29 winning trades, we got 21 losing trades. And so I calculated this using a 1 and 1.5 risk reward. And so basically, if we were risking $100 for every single winning trade, and if we were looking for a take profit of $100 for every winning trade, and we were risking $150 for every losing trade, these would be the numbers right here. We would have gained 2,900 but lost 3,100, putting us at a loss overall on this strategy. It did seem like sometimes it was doing good, but then other times it would do really bad and take a lot of losing trades within 1 year's time. Also, this is a very narrow time frame for anyone who's in the States or who isn't up at 3 o'clock in the morning, kind of Eastern time, time of the States. Then this would be a really hard strategy to trade. And so all in all, it would be super challenging to use this strategy, and even if you did, it didn't seem to be too profitable. Indicators seemed a little interesting. You might want to play with it a little bit, but other than that, I'm going to put this one on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.